Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araven. If you are new here, then welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out a little bit of new things that I picked up from Sephora online, and I came across this new product that they have. It is the new Sephora foundation. This is the Best Skin Ever liquid foundation. I got it in the shade 57. So in this video, I'm going to be testing this bad boy out, and along with a few, very few new makeup products that are new to me. Okay, so on the Sephora website, they described their foundation as a medium coverage, natural finish foundation with a long-wearing anti-pollution formula that hydrates skin for up to 12 hours and is infused with skincare benefits. Now, those skincare benefits that they are talking about are hyaluronic acid, which hydrates, red algae extract, which hydrates, and brown algae extract, which provides an anti-pollution protection shield. So that's pretty cool. And also, this foundation retailed for $20, so not that bad. Let me show you what the bottle looks like. This is what it looks like. I really like this look. You know, like a lot of beauty brands have been using, you know, this kind of look for their foundation bottles and like their concealer bottles, where it's like the bottle itself, it is glass. It feels like glass, but it's an opaque glass, and of course like a little solid top, something to like make it stand out. But I really love this packaging. I don't know why, it's just very luxe-like, but without the luxe price. So yeah. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyes off camera, so we can just jump straight into the foundation. Before I put the foundation on, I am going to prime my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Primer. This is the first time that I actually put on lashes without having a full face on, so it looks weird. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with one pump on the back of my hand. That makeup. This is one pump here. I'm hoping that this matches me, because if you watched my last video, I've been having to shade match on my own without swatching. So far I've been, you know, having pretty good luck, but you just never know. I don't know. Yeah, it might be a little too dark, but let's just blend it out first. Yeah, it's a little too dark. And it definitely would be like my summer shade, but I mean, I could work with it. Now, this one that I got is described as dark skin with yellow undertone. It's definitely not my shade, which of course isn't their fault. Yeah, I definitely look like I got bronzed. I don't know, like I don't think I'm really getting yellow undertones from this. I think I'm getting just a tad bit like orange or like red. Alright, so this is what the foundation is looking like. I definitely feel like it is medium coverage. So now how about the whole natural finish? I can't really tell because this is deeper than what I am, really. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Like I said, hopefully we can work with it. So be right back. So I just realized after I put blush on, blush was one of the new things I was supposed to be trying today. But I'm gonna do it anyway. We're gonna put it on top and it's gonna be okay. So I got the Melt Cosmetics blush. This one is in the shade, where is it? Yeah, this is in the shade Sundown Blush. This is what it looks like inside. It looked more vibrant online because honestly I don't think this is gonna show up on my skin. But we're gonna try it out anyway. I know blush is becoming my thing now, like, especially like I learned this new technique on how to apply it. Like you start from your temples and you go down. And I really like how that is looking. I look like a pretty blush babe. And the last thing that I got, I picked up another Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. This one is in the shade Fruit Snacks. I've been hearing a lot of people rave about this color, and I don't know, like, it's that berry color, and I'm not too big on the berry, but like, I wanted to try it, so I got it. So yeah, it's like a really deep berry color. It looks purple, but it's not. It's a little bit red. More red than purple. So I'm gonna quickly line my lips with brown liner first. I need some sturdier brown lip liners because these just keep on breaking. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Overall, I like the foundation. Like, I mean, I kind of made it work with the concealer, kind of lightening it up a bit. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna like see if I can get a better match, if I can make it to Sephora at any time. This is slick, kind of a V-Day look. I didn't even realize that that's kind of like what I was doing. Like the lip, that's all you need is a nice red lip, red statement. It's a very bold statement at that. Yeah, I'm really digging the foundation. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, please. Oh gosh. So y'all weren't gonna tell me that I had lash glue in the corner of my eye? Ugh, can't trust nobody. But anyway, please make sure that you give me a huge thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment, have you tried this foundation yet? Are you going to try this foundation? Let a girl know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye.